Hello, this is Will, and this is episode number 4 of the Glow tutorial series. And today we're going to be expanding on the workflow that we created in the last tutorial. We're actually going to be incorporating some custom variables and also even an agent to create a use case that might be useful to you and your team. You'll notice that I've gone ahead and removed that delay step in preparation for this because that's no longer required. So let's get into this. First things first, I'm going to add a custom variable step. And I'm actually going to do this right at the beginning. And I'm going to declare this variable now. It's going to be called topic. And topic's going to be automation and AI. Let's keep this on brand. And then I'm going to be adding an agent. So let's make a bit of space here. We're going to go to AI. We're going to choose agent here. Let's remove this. Add that in there. And let's use Gemini 3 for good measure. You are an expert on reporting and summarizing the news. Can you please summarize the top 5 news headlines in the past 24 hours on the following topic? And you've guessed it, we're going to select from our dynamic data menu, custom variables, topic. Please ensure the output is clear and well formatted for humans. And that's it. We don't need to use any of these other advanced settings here or any of the tools that interface through MCP because we're going to be outputting our message in this step here instead. And in order to do that, we're going to have to drill into this step. And we're going to have to select the output of the agent, which is result. And that's it. Another small amendment I made to this workflow actually, oh no, I didn't make it, so let's do it now, is we're going to, as before, evaluate for the keyword in the trigger. So it contains, but this time we're going to change the keyword to news summary like this. So it's a bit more specific. And we should be all set here. So let's give it a try. We're going to go over to Slack. We're going to type news summary. And as before, because we've posted a new message in this channel that this is listening to, this should trigger. It should go through the condition, and that condition has been met because we've used this keyword. So now it's gone through to our AI agent. It's going to be reading the latest news and capturing those headlines, compiling it into a format that is readable for us, and then it's going to be posting back into that channel so that the rest of our team can be aligned on the latest news. Maybe that could inform new marketing content going out to ensure it's topical, or it could even inform your roadmap if there's new developments. Sometimes the agent can take a minute or two. It's doing a lot of work for us. And this should output any second now. And there we go. So yeah, maybe you, rather than using a keyword, you might also want to schedule this so that it runs every day. And as before, we can see that, posting back into that channel did trigger this, but it didn't go through the condition. Maybe we could also run this automatically at 9 a.m. every day, for example. So I hope that was useful to some of you. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks, guys. See ya.